goes from being peaceful with a bit of sunshine and a breeze to significantly faster and less peaceful on the shore of Windermere.
Foragers' feedback. I'm actually heading northwest at the moment, and it's been interesting seeing the amount of wild garlic that there is as I travel along. I've visited a few beautiful National Trust places where Bumblebee has sampled the grass, and there seems to be more pink hawthorn up here, which is unusual, and some of it has a multi-petalled flower. The clumps of dandelions along the Tissington Trail amaze me that there could be at least 30 heads of dandelions, golden in the sunshine, growing out of one crown. The other thing that I noticed, especially as I arrived in the Lake District, there were fields of wild garlic happily growing like nobody had come along with weed killer in this area, which is amazing when you think how organic farmers are trying to encourage us not to have glyphosate in our food because it's used quite readily in the UK, along with other weed killers, that maybe we need to reconsider this because it does end up in our body, even if you don't care about what it does to the plants or what it does to the insect life that we need to have to survive on. Because as a side note, if Bill Gates really wants us to eat insects, surely he shouldn't be encouraging people to be using things that are going to kill those insects. Or is it all going to be lab-grown, like it was in A Brave New World? And that's one of the things that I've been thinking about. I'm walking around where it's green, where the leaves are bending with the wind. But it sometimes feels like the control from the governments with the news that tries to put fear within everyone says there's a different future. But then the sun comes out and it lifts my heart. And I smell the warmth of the breeze as it come over the lake. I've also seen plenty of Midland hawthorn. They're much taller than the Cornish hawthorns. They tower over my head, unlike the shorter growth that we see when we walk around Cornwall and the granite hedges. It's beautiful, and one of the things of following the cooler air towards the north is it's like I'm going back in time in spring. So I'm seeing the plants and flowers that were readily available in the Midlands and in Cornwall earlier in the year. So it's an interesting moment that makes you think that nowhere is quite the same. It's a little bit like us humans. We're all unique. And we all have that capacity to find joy in our lives. And I hope that you find some joy in your day today. If you have any questions or comments about where I'm travelling or would like to know what I've been doing, please let me know. I'm off to visit Beatrix Potter's Hilltop Farm today and hope to see what she's got available in her garden growing in May.